Hello students, welcome to my physics class. Students, in continuation of this chapter, dimensional analysis, now we are going to discuss some physical quantity, a group of physical quantity which have similar dimension. So, listen carefully. I already defined this term stress. Stress is what? Restoring force per unit area. Restoring force per unit area. So, dimension of force is mLT power minus 2. I taught so many times that dimension of force is this mLT power minus 2. Dimension of area is L power 2. So the dimension of stress will be equal to m L power minus 1 T power minus 2. Students, I already discussed this term strain, fractional change in the dimension of a body. So this strain is unitless and dimensionless. It has dimension m per length have unit meter. This length has also unit meter. So this strain has dimension is unitless and dimensionless. So we can write the dimension of this strain is m power 0, L power 0 and T power 0. Or you can write dimensionless quantity. So strain is dimensionless quantity. Now students, I am going to define a term Young's modulus. Young's modulus. Young's modulus. It is written by Y. Young's modulus is written by Y. The definition of this Young's modulus is ratio of longitudinal stress to the longitudinal strain. Should write this, pause the video so that you can write each and every step properly. So with the help of this definition, Young's modulus, we can find formula for this Young's modulus Y. Suppose we have a steel wire attached with a rigid support having length L, area cross section A. If you apply some force to extend its length, then that force is called deforming force, written by F dash. Let change in length of this steel wire is small l. Now, if we remove this force, external force, if we remove this external force or deforming force, then due to molecular attraction, a force acts, which is called restoring force. This force is called restoring force because in the influence of this force, this wire will retain its original shape and size. So this force is called restoring force. And restoring force per unit area is called stress. So according to the definition of this Young's modulus Y, we can write Young's modulus is the ratio of longitudinal stress to the longitudinal strain. So it is the ratio of longitudinal stress to the longitudinal strain. Students, this longitudinal stress is F by A. I taught you. And strain is what? Change in length by initial length, fractional change in dimension. So the formula for Young's modulus will be equal to F by A into capital L by small l. This L will be transformed to numerator. Now write unit. Force have unit kilogram meter per second square. Area have unit meter square. and this meter by meter will be cancelled, no need to write it. So students, if we transform this meter square from denominator to numerator, the unit will be like this: kilogram, meter to the power 1 minus 2 will be meter to the power minus 1, and this is what secant power minus 2. Students, please listen once more. We are going to find the dimensional formula of Young's modulus Y. I know that you didn't heard this word before this class, so I just define so that we can find its formula from its definition. The definition of Young's modulus Y is written: ratio of longitudinal stress to the longitudinal strain. The force which is acting along the direction of length is also known as longitudinal force, and force per unit area is called longitudinal stress, as these things are acting along the direction of length. If they are acting perpendicular to the length, then it is called lateral, but in this case the forces are acting along the direction of length, so it is called longitudinal. So the ratio of longitudinal stress to the longitudinal strain is called Young's modulus. So this force is acting along the length, so restoring forces are longitudinal stresses, force per unit area. I already defined this term: stress, longitudinal stress equal to force per area. Longitudinal strain is change in length by initial length. And transforming into simpler form, we can get this Y equal to F into L by A into small l. तो ये दोनों डिनोमिनेटर में आएंगे, न्यूमरेटर में चला जाएगा बच्चों. The unit of force is kilogram meter per second square, and unit of area is meter square. This is what meter by meter cancel. So Young's modulus is kilogram meter power minus 1 second power minus 2, and its dimension will be m l power minus 1 t power minus 2. Its dimension will be m l power minus 1 t power minus 2. Student, I just taught you that stress has also same dimension. So we have two physical quantity now which have same dimension. One is stress and another one is Young's modulus. Students, there are other physical quantities: pressure, bulk modulus, modulus of rigidity, and modulus of elasticity. All have same dimension. So we are going to discuss one by one. Today we are discussing those physical quantity which have dimension m l power minus 1 t power minus 2. So students, write each and everything which I am writing on the board. बच्चों, वीडियो को आगे पीछे करके, प्लेस टू प्लेस पॉज करके आपको जो भी लिखना हो आप लिख सकते हो. See, we are discussing the physical quantities having dimension m l power minus 1 t power minus 2. We found that stress have same dimension, Young's modulus have also same dimension. In spite of these two physical quantity, pressure have also same dimension. Pressure, bulk modulus is written by B. It has also same dimension. In the same way, modulus of elasticity and modulus of elasticity is written by capital E, and modulus of rigidity all have same dimension. Modulus of rigidity is written by eta. I already discussed these two have same dimension. In the same way, you can find formula for pressure equal to what? Pressure equal to force upon area. Force have unit kilogram, meter per second square, and area have unit meter square. So we can write unit of pressure is kilogram. This meter power minus 2 when transferred to numerator, it will be minus 2. Minus 2 and plus 1 will be minus 1. So meter to the power minus 1 and second to the power minus 2. So its dimension will be kilogram के जब क्या लिखते बच्चों, m mass, meter is what, length to the power minus 1, second is time to the power minus 2. So pressure is also same dimension. Same this dimension, m L power minus 1 T power minus 2. So student, I discussed these three quantity which have same dimension, m L power minus 1 T power minus 2. Now I am giving you task that find modulus of these dimension of these physical quantities: bulk modulus, modulus of elasticity and modulus of rigidity. बच्चों, मैंने इस चैप्टर में पढ़ाते समय कई बार बताया है कि ये चैप्टर बेसिकली बहुत सारी फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज के इंट्रोडक्शन के लिए बना है। तो कुछ फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज हम खुद भी वन बाय वन डिफरेंट क्लासेस में डिस्कस करते रहेंगे, पर कुछ फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज को आप भी ढूंढिए, सर्च मारिए, ठीक है। बहुत सारे टूल्स हैं आपके पास जहां से आप सर्च मार सकते हैं कि इन फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज को कैसे आप ढूंढ करके इनकी फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज लिखेंगे। और जो भी फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज एक बार आपके सामने आ रही हैं, ठीक है, एग्जामिनेशन में इनसे रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं। ये आगे के चैप्टर्स में बहुत डिटेल में दे रखे हैं, अगर आपके पास बुक है तो वहां से भी सर्च कर सकते हैं। आप दूसरे अदर टूल्स भी यूज कर सकते हैं जहां से आप सर्च मारते हैं, ठीक है। कि अलग अलग फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज आप ढूंढिए, उनके फार्मूले लिखिए, उनको किसी भी नॉन फिजिकल क्वांटिटी से कोरिलेट करिए, उनका यूनिट लिखिए और डायमेंशन लिखिए, ठीक है। ये आज का टास्क है कि फाइंड dimension of these physical quantities: bulk modulus, modulus of elasticity and modulus of rigidity all have same dimension, m L power minus 1 T power minus 2, but you have to prove it कि all have same dimension. Thank you.